So there you have it. Another Ulster Senior Club Hurling campaign comes to an end, and it's a familiar story. Sleacht Néill, Ulster champions for the 6th time in 9 years. Convincing winners here tonight at the Athletic Grounds, 23-10. Against a St John's side who will be licking their wounds for a while after this one, you suspect. Came here with big hopes after a first Antrim championship in 52 years. But they just couldn't get to the level of physicality that Sleacht Néill brought. 5 points in each half just was never going to be enough. 3 scores from play all across the whole match. St John's really needed their attacking threats like Conor Johnson, Shay Shannon, Donald Carson to catch fire tonight and put Sleacht Néill under pressure. But even any time they did get a bit of a sniff, they were, you could see that Sleacht Néill were totally on it. We spoke to Sleacht Néill manager Paul McCormick after the game. He said Finn McEldowney ate and slept Conor Johnson all week in preparation for this game. That's the kind of levels you're talking about when you come into a game, and you can see the pride that they take in just blotting out opponents and making life difficult. And once that happens, the game starts to flow, and they were able to take control. Cormac O'Doherty unerring from frees all night whenever Shay Cassidy went off as well. And it just never looked like letting that lead slip. And you could just see it went up from a couple of points, and all of a sudden you're looking up and there's 5, 6, 7, 8 points. Sleacht Néill, we already know the class of a side that they are. They go on now, another 4 Seasons Cup. They'll celebrate this, but in 3 weeks' time, they face Loughran in the All-Ireland semi-final. They've suffered so much disappointment at that stage through the years. Maybe this will be it.